Oh, look over here. It's 9:40. I said, oh, look, there's people in the garden today. 3 people. Looks like 3 people. 2 people. 3 people. And look at the pigeon. Whoa. And this guy. And that guy. Yeah, that was the garden where the goggles were there. Like, clink, 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 clink. What are you turning in circles? Did you see that? Yo, these guys are wicked funny. Don't come near me. No, no, no. No, I ain't got nothing for you, broski. That one. What? Oh, shit. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. That's funny. 8. Supposedly that, like, they say there's like, 8 different versions of ourselves or something like that, like 8 different dimensions. Like we exist in 8 different dimensions or some shit like that. I know I have 8 past life soulmates. They're all birds. Oh.